Hey YouTube, changing the fuel filter on my 2006-5 turbo diesel Chevy. Pull the fuel filter out. That's what it looks like. It's kind of gross. This truck also has 560,000 kilometers on it. So yeah, and then I drain the fuel out of where fuel filter was. That's it. It's a little gross. Okay, it's really gross. So you always want to pull that nasty diesel out of there. So you empty, I don't know if you can see, pretty well empty the whole thing out. And then I've got seafoam. Now I'm going to crack this seafoam open, and the purpose of that is I am going to fill that filter. Oh, I hate these things. I'm going to fill this up with seafoam. There we go, nice and full. And then I'm going to drop my new filter in there. Nice, new and clean. Now, you're going to want to loosen this off. Loosen this top piece off here before you put the new... Oh, I gotta set my phone down. Okay, I've taken the top off. Let's just let air out. As you drop it down, you're going to spill a little bit of seafoam, but that's okay. Crank that on. Nice and tight. Then you can put this little cap back on the center. Now that seafoam in there, you're gonna fire up the truck for about 2 minutes and then shut it off and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and that'll give your give that seafoam a chance to break down anything that's on your injectors and get them all clean. Now, I recommend this every time you change your fuel filter and anytime you buy a used diesel that you know nothing about. You're going to want to change the fuel filter. Like I said, this truck has 560,000 kilometers on it. I'm not really sure what that translates to miles for all of you southern folks. But, yeah. I am going to fire this thing up. See. There's the, I don't know if you can see it, 560,000. The truck is now running entirely off of seafoam. Yeah. Shut it off, and I'm going to let it sit for, well, 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will fire it up again and drive away. And when I drive away, it'll blow a lot of black smoke, and yeah, and then injectors will be cleaner than they are. So yeah, that's my tip for the day.